In this video, I'm going to discuss creating a custom Workweek view. And first, we'll just show what we have going on here. So we have a new button added up here, and it's called 2X Week. And when I click it, I'm going to get a work week Monday through Friday, and it's going to show 2 weeks at a time. And how we configured that is, first thing we did was we went to the DHX website, and we looked in the guides, and we have this heading called Custom View, and it tells you can create your own custom view, and it explains what needs done and what all the different methods and the mandatory things you have to add in there, and then it gives a step-by-step example on creating just basically a Monday through Friday work week view. And what I did was I took this particular example and I just modified it for my own needs. So in the builder, we have, under the user-defined customization, we have a property called additional DHX cal navline divs. And this is where we can add any kind of new tabs, and that's where the tab comes from. And a little help down here tells you an example. And of course, from the docs, we know that we have to have this class as the first class in there, and the name of the view, which is Workweek, and the underbar tab has to be there. So this is mandatory. The styling is only used in certain skins. In this particular skin I'm using, this is not being used. My above schedule HTML just has a couple of buttons, one for the refresh and one for the iCal ICS download. These are built-in functions that I created to handle both of these events, and they're available to you. And then in the pre-initialization is where I actually built the view. So I'm setting the name of the tab to 2 times week, and as you noticed when we looked at it, that was the name that was on there. So if I just make a little edit here, and we'll make it 2 weeks instead, we'll see the change. I'm overriding, in this line I'm actually overriding the start hour of the views to 8 instead of 0, which is what is in the builder. This is just showing you how this could be overridden. And then this is where I'm actually creating the view. Again, just pretty much copying from the website. I made a slight change here to get the 14-day view, and a slight change here to change the appearance of the x-axis date string. And then here's where we're ignoring, we're setting up to only show Monday through Friday, because if the day is equal to 0, which would be Sunday, or 6, this particular function is going to return true, and that's going to scheduler.ignore.underbar workweek, which again is our view only. It's only going to ignore these in this particular view. We're going to ignore Saturdays and Sundays. And that's all it took to set that up. And as we see when we go back, our name is now 2 weeks because we did change that. See, our Wednesday the 11th is what's shown, which is different than what we have in the week view. Like this is the Monday, February 9th. So hope you find that interesting. Thanks.